Okay, welcome back. So today we're talking about arithmetic operators, use of arithmetic operators in PHP, arithmetic operators name, and also we'll be discussing some examples of arithmetic operators in PHP. Also, we're going down to answer some interview questions in this video. So let's start by focusing the first one. What is the use of arithmetic operators? So when we are performing arithmetic calculation in PHP, we are basically doing using the arithmetic operators, and these are some of the operators that we can do, like in PHP: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation operation. So these are the 6 arithmetic operators in PHP. So let's take example with each and every one of them. So the last 2 are a bit interesting, and this first 4, I believe you can do them by yourself, but we are still going to check the other last 2 as well. Okay, so let's take a look at an addition as the first example. So I'll create a new file right now, and then let's create arithmetic.php, and here I'm creating a PHP tag. So inside here in the PHP tag, I'll create some variable. Let's say A is equal to 20. Let's say B will be like 10. So addition is very simple. It's just A plus B. So echo $A plus B. So that's very simple calculation, and then you come here, just check the result. You should get 30. Alright, perfect. So let's look at subtraction. If I comment that out, and then let's say subtraction, let's do another echo A minus B, the result should give us 10. So perfect. Also, the third one is simple, multiplication. In fact, the first 4 are simple. So multiplication, A times B. That's you can also do division. So just slash, that's how to divide in PHP. Sorry. Okay, so you see that. Perfect. So the next one is modulus. Some of you might know about it, and some of you might not know about it. So what modulus is that it is a reminder after division. So how do we go about that? What you do is that you will put a percentage sign in between the 2 values, A percentage B. So that is the modulus sign. So now let's check the answer. We get 0. That's because when you divide 20 by 10, it remains 0. Let's assume this is 23. The remainder will be 3. Okay, so let's try 29. That should give us a remainder of 9. So let's also try like 20 to give us 0, because it's complete division and remain nothing. Then if it is 30, then the answer should also give us 0. Okay, so and here we go to the last one, which is exponential. So exponential is double star. That is the sign of exponential in PHP. And how does that work? It's like $A, then double star B. What it means is that now you are raising A to the power of B. It's just like, let's say, 20 raised to the power of 10. This is how it is in mathematics. 20 raised to the power of 10. You understand? That is just how it is, like 20 to the power of 10. So it is very simple. So the answer will give us this, which is kind of long, but let me try with a very smaller number. Let's say 2 to the power of 2. Now 2 exponential 2. So it's a simple math. That will give us 4. 2 times 2 is 4, yeah. But if we put the value as 3, then it will give us 8. And how did we end up getting 8? Is just saying, let me do the mathematics calculation. It is 2 times 2 times 2. That is how it works in mathematics. If I comment out this exponential now, and you see, it will still give us the same thing, 8. So let's try another one. Let's say if it is like 2 exponential 4. So that will be equal to like 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 to the power of 4. So it will give us as answer 16. So if I comment this one and I try this one, it will still get the same thing, which is 16. So I hope you understand exponential now. So in interview question, they can ask you how many operators do we have, arithmetic operator. Then you can tell them it is 6, and the answer is 6. So you can name the examples, which are addition, subtraction, and the rest here. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.